Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will be talking about enumerate function counted. So let's dive in. LST, I will print the list LST 10, 20, 30, 6. So for index and value in enumerate LST if value greater than 10, so LST index minus equal 2. If the element is greater than 10, minus this element by 2 and print LST. So Python l.py 10, 18, 28, 6. So I have the grade. This is great. Okay, now I want to print the grade, so it's easy. I know it. I know how to print it. This with enumerate index, the name and grade. This index name and grade. In enumerate. So I want to for index. And then I have name and grade, so I will put them between brackets. Name, grade, and enumerate grade to start with 1. Print index name grade. What's name? Name grade. So look at this, Muhammad. Okay, I have something wrong. So what's the wrong? So nothing wrong. Now if I print, nothing wrong. Index name grade. So now I have the big example. So this big example box, I have a lot of box. So for index, put the comma, title and author. This good. And enumerate book and start with number 1. Print f string, use index, put the dot, book, title, and then author, with author. Now if I print this Python, I have something wrong. Books. Okay. Look at this. Book, the 7 habits, and the book name with the author. So this is for this lesson, and I want to say goodbye.